how to add BibTex in Overleaf LaTeX, aka how to add bibliography in LaTeX, BibTex. For this, the first step that you need to do is backslash and write down use package. And then from here we click on this one and then we do netbib like this. And then now we need to tell LaTeX or a bibliography style. So we do backslash bibliography and then style, and then we search for APA like. Then under there we need to tell LaTeX that we want to do references. So we do backslash bibliography again, and then we do references. And then right now we just insert some random text. So I copy random text and then we write something like according to. So this is going to be the place where we want to add some references in. So right now what we need to do is we go right here to new file. And then right now what we're going to do is we write down references and then .bib, and then we do create. Then on Google Scholar, we need to search for articles. So let's say I will search for animals article. Now let's say we want to use this, we click on cite and then we click here on BibTex. And then we copy this right here with Control and then C, both together. And then we paste it here at references like this. Then we go to main text. And then right now we want to place the article or the reference right there. So what I'm gonna do is I do space backslash cite, click on this, and then right now he is saying National 2010 Guide. So we click on that and now we do recompile. And right now we have the reference like this in our article. Now, what if you want to put the references on a new page? Then you do right here, backslash new page, do that, and then we do recompile. And right now the references are on a new page. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.